everyone and welcome back to day 15 and the final video of our 15-day series on SQL tricks and traps. Today's trick is about transposing your data, which means converting your data from rows to columns and columns to rows. And we are going to be talking about two very important functions, pivot and unpivot. Suppose you have some sales data and you can see that your data is in different rows for each product on each day. Our goal is to show sales per product per day in columns. So we use this pivot query, which can turn the row values, the days here, into column headers. Execute, and you get the aggregated amounts for each day for each product. The opposite of pivot is the unpivot function that converts your columns into rows. So if we want to convert these subject names from our table student scores into separate rows, we can use the unpivot function, which will convert each score for each subject as a separate row for each student. Now that you know how to use these two important functions, pivot and unpivot in SQL Server, it's time for the SQL riddle of the day and the last SQL riddle of the series.